How much is Spotify Premium? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here is the complete guide for the Spotify Premium with the plans along with their pricings. Now basically if you open up Spotify app and if you head into premium option there at the bottom of your screen, you can see the get premium option. If you scroll down below here, you'll find an option to pick your premium here. Now here you can see if you tap on premium individual, if you open this up, it'll ask you for premium individual. You can get one premium account for 1 month for free once you add in the details, and after your 1 month trial only $2.99 will be charged for you. Now if you take the premium today, then you won't be charged anything for the upcoming 1 month or for 30 days, and after that you'll be charged. Now once you start getting the premium, you can cancel it at any time. However, offer terms will apply and you'll be reminded of 7 days before you get charged of the account. Now here are the plans. This one is the $2.99 here per month, the individual premium individual. If you are not sharing your account with anyone and if you just want it for yourself, it's $2.99 per month. If you want the premium student offer here, one premium here, you can see it's the $1.49 per month here, and this is only for the new users here. Now if you scroll down, you can see the premium duo there. You can get 2 premium accounts, that is you can share your account with you can basically 2 users can use your account. It's $3.99 per month here after the free trial. And if you scroll down, you'll find the premium family, which is free for 1 month as well, and you can use 6 users can use it, and here you can get it for $4.99 per month. So these are the plans and premiums and pricings of Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.